ఎలా ఉన్నారు? So, welcome to OT Web Technologies, guys. Today, our topic is .NET Microservices with Docker. .NET Microservices with Docker. I'm already implemented. I will explaining what is the flow of execution and what is happening inside our .NET Microservices combined with Docker. So, how to set up full setup Visual Studio? And I'm using Visual Studio 2022 version. Okay. Okay, let's our enter to our topic. Okay, before that, if you are not uh, showing my channel, please like and subscribe my channel. Before, okay, guys, I'm go to my in-depth of topic. Yes, .NET microservices with the microservices Docker, right? I'm implementing. I'm implementing one project, guys. So, what is that project? I will explaining. Okay, this is product service. This is product microservices. This is product microservices along with a Docker containerization. Along with it will adding to where Docker, where Docker. This is our topic. What's the workflow? This is the workflow. How to connect .NET microservices. How to connect .NET microservices under product services inside our .NET. The workflow. Lot of interactions in between Docker file and product services. Before product services, if you are creating inside our product services, let me open my Visual Studio Code, then only you can understanding, otherwise not understood. Okay, go to our .NET. My file is here, and what is this file? Product service dot sln file. It is the extension file, right? .sln is the extension file. Double click on directly coming our .NET application inside where Visual Studio 2022. Okay, so coming to the point, go to your solution explorer. Go to your solution explorer. Go to your solution explorer. Here we are showing two packages, right? Here we are using two packages, right? And this is microservices. Sorry for the interruption, guys. It is asking for Docker desktop application is running or not. Initially I'm not running because of without running what happened, with running what happened. You should learn, you should know before that point. Because of I am not running yet right now, so close to my notification bar. Okay, so coming to here, we are developing only one microservices, right? Along with microservices, it will by default see, when we are creating our project, microservices always .NET 6 and after, .NET 6 and after, every microservices is under .NET Core Web API, right? .NET Core Web API, that is not empty, right? First of all, Web API, application programming interface. So after that, click what is that corresponding name. Okay, and after that, what is the name and what is that, and after that we should click on enable Dockerization inside in your microservices. In your microservice, it is must important, and we'll click user use controller. What is the controller? Controller is inside URL endpoints. We are creating methods. Okay, by default it will empty and predefined controller. What is that controller? Weather forecasting controller is by default it will create it. You don't worry if you are not using weather forecasting to delete that, no worry. Okay, Again, you have creating your own controller class. Okay, and after that, please click on HTTPS. If you are not using HTTPS, untick. You want HTTPS, you can click it. After that, create. It will create one microservices. It will create one microservices. After that, you are double click on to your uh, this one. So you should add your Docker composition file. It is extension for ML file. It is extension for ML file. I'm showing inside here. See, Docker composition file is under to ML source file. ML is a one of the extension. ML is the one of the extension to our service files. This is service file, service connection files. That is ML files. ML files is most important to when you are connecting to robotic point of time. So developer, it will need, hey, some system, please handle that my profile or my code, please handle that. By default it will take and capture and running, that is happening inside our application, that extension name called ML extension. Okay, I will creating one beautiful video later point of time, what is useful for ML, how to interact with ML and inside what is ML, how to implementing like XML, JSX, and after that CSXML right now. So different types of right. That same time, ML is one of the extension. I will telling later point of time what is ML and how to create ML file, and these stuffs are I'm telling later point of time. So after that, we are creating two services, right? One is microservices. After .xml .yaml extension file, Docker composition file, right? Two folders are created successfully. After that, you go to controller. You go to controller. I am creating one static. I'm creating one static data right now. I'm not interacting any database, guys. Okay, so present I'm using only static data. What is the static data? Laptop and mobile and tab one. This is corresponding price and corresponding user product ID. I will take right. So after that, I am releasing and outputting method that is called. Okay, and route is API slash controller. Okay, what is controller? Product is controller class, right? I will telling later of point of time how to create controller class also. I will explaining upcoming videos. Okay, so coming to that point. So we are creating one Docker, automatically it will create. Where is exactly right now? Product services is my, what is that? What is that? Product service is my microservices. Dot DLL file is runtime environment. Runtime environment extension file. When you are building build tool, when you are creating build tool, after that you go to run the application, your microservices corresponding project file is creating one bytecode under that extension called DLL file. Okay, so this extension file is capturing under .NET when is for runtime environment, that is known. That's why I am here pointing runtime environment project file is, and see, this is runtime environment, right? Line number 16, .NET runtime environment is every .NET application or .NET every .NET application or every .NET console, even console application also running from where? project.cs file, right? Project.cs file. Before that, we are creating one automatically creating bundling and capturing our services, and after that configuration, or after that mapping, and finally it will run. So finally it will run nothing but running is starting from project.cs file, but inside our project is capturing one beautiful location called project service.csprog is extension file. Already I am telling this point in previous video. CSPROG file is I am already taking in previous where microservices application gateway starting. So using console application, if you're not if you not see in my video, please go to my where my playlist, and it will already streaming my video, okay, in YouTube. So coming to that point, it will runtime environment, then only CSPROG file. After that, entry point is runtime entry point where product service.dl file, right? So after that, if you are creating two enrollment, right? But in our microservice application, where is exactly running, guys? So here, sorry guys, it will automatically run. Before that, I'm not running that presently, I'm not running that application. So before, you want should understand what happening to inside, then only you can possible, right? So sorry, it will automatically run, okay. uh, okay guys, see, if you are clicking in your solution, go to your project setup configuration, right? Project setup. If you are only for microservices, then only you can product services. If you are doing containerization in your microservices, you go to your docker compose file. You go to docker compose file. What exactly going, what I am implementing docker composition file is nothing but is, guys, this is wonderful feature. It will providing docker composition. So here, what is our docker target Linux server? I'm already working in Linux server, guys. Okay, Linux server is smooth and without without any interruptions, interactions. It will friendly using, then only I'm using Linux server. So what is the docker composition YAML file, and what is that here? It will tags like a HTML tags. See, this is like HTML tag, parent tags, group ID. So okay, item group, and what is that? This stuff is inside our this location. Okay, now coming to right now, two services are there, right? I will, I'm checking configuration setup file, right? If your configuration setup file coming to the Docker will automatically capture any product services. Docker composition is pushed to run your microservices by default. That is flavor of Docker. Now coming to the run in our application, see, first it will build started. After that build started, it will not, it will see an error, right? Error, right? This is not for error, guys. Before that, we are starting. Before that, we are starting. Go to your CMD. Go to your CMD. I'm not running in Docker desktop right now. Okay. Uh, Present now, how many previous images? How many previous images running on my container? Error during, right? This error coming, how, where it exactly right now? I'm telling. Okay, so stick your point. It will facing error, right? So go to your Docker desktop application and double click. It will run automatically, right? See in your showing the icons and how many tools are running right now. See, this is already started, right? See, starting Docker engine. First of all, your started engine. After that, your build is successfully complete. You're not facing any error, guys. So that's why I'm facing error. Now it will start. After that, I'm running in Docker composition, automatically capturing and running in your microservices. It will give an URL. So go to your any OpenAI and other AI URL test tools, like that Postman, Swagger, and your browser also. It will see, it will running under that where, and see in our project PS files. See, container is not there, right? Container is there or not? Not there. Container ID is not there. So go to your Visual Studio Code, and now please check, first of all your building. First of all, build in your application. Then only you are facing error or not. It will show. See that building started and microservices capturing. And if you are any error in syntax errors, it will automatically stored. See, syntax error is not there. Then only can build completed. Okay, 3 hours 32 minutes. Now time is 33, 31, just for 30 to 40 seconds before running. So after that, you go to successfully on, double click on to arrow mark, green arrow mark. It will running, building started. See, container is creating or not. Container created first of all. After that, container starting. So what exactly going on? Take it time to 1 or 2 minutes, guys. That container running and interact in your Docker composition file to microservices. Docker composition file to microservices. Okay. Yes. How many containers are running in your container is loading? What container exactly running product services, right? This is one image, right? In your container, you have only for how many images? One image. The image name called what, guys? Image name called what? Product services, right? So see, enrollment is running and it will automatically opening in our my browser. It will take weather forecasting. Weather forecasting is by default created. I am already deleted na here in my solution. In my solution, by default it will creating weather forecasting dot cs. It is controller by default it created, but I am already deleted. But it will asking some this. Okay, so it is okay. So after that, go to your output. It will running under that which port number? 8081, guys. So okay, this is now listen. That is okay. I'm already building started now. Okay, I will check in my where postman tool. Okay, check in my postman tool. First of all, you check either container, how many containers are running in our application. Here our browser console container to showing in only one container, right? One container and one image, right? So only one container and one running. So your Docker PS, it will showing only one container, guys. It will showing only one container. See, that is container ID, the container image, and container command and role created when you were created 3 hours later. 3 hours back, I am already completed in my container. So after that, I am studying how to explain in that way. it will take time, right? Then that's why I'm creating after 3 hours. Yes. Okay. Up to 2 minutes, up to 2 minutes. How many minutes back I'm running this application means 2 minutes back. Okay, now go to your uh, output of any microservices or any uh, minimal APIs and web API. So where exactly going on, guys? Checking how to test tool is one of the famous favorite my test tool. This is Postman. Okay, it will take time, guys. Please hold. It asking for paid version. Don't worry. People clicking. Don't worry. See, uh, so not showing right. So go to your exactly my services are running or not. Yes, running. Is it any error or program? What is the output of our program, guys? See, already I am using that port number, guys. Then that's why I'm double time I'm using right now. So because of I'm not able to capturing that this. Okay. So wait for 1 minute. I will checking how to exactly going on my this one. So ASP.NET Core HTTP port HTTPS 80808081. Okay. So try to mm, 808080 not running 8081. By default it will showing that one, guys. That's why I'm facing error, guys. Ports, go to your ports and see what is the post number. 82571, right? 82571, 82571, 82 52571, sorry, 52571 is capturing not showing. 52571, 52573. See, data is coming or not? Why I am facing error, guys? It will see this port number 8080 corresponding to Docker composition. This URL, this port number is corresponding to newer microservices, newer microservices. That's why I'm not I'm facing in capturing our data and output. Okay, so uh, see, 52573 is my port number. It will take by default, it will came under that after running your application. Okay, so check your output. Laptop ABC and mobile, it's a lap tab 2, right? This is in our controller class exactly. Okay, well, under this one, see, laptop 1 and this is right now. Okay, thank you for watching this video. If you are not aware in your microservices with API gateway, if you go to my playlist and search uh, APIs. Okay, so thank you for watching, guys. Thank you. See, I'm already starting paid paid courses, guys. If you are interested, please contact me, call or WhatsApp. Okay, so already batching is running. I'm already planned that batch. Okay, so 16 to 21 tomorrow also demo class is there. Okay, please call me WhatsApp or number. Thank you guys. Bye. Have a nice day. Okay guys, thank you. Bye. Please call me.